My name's Katie Poff. It's really exciting for me to be here today, but the circumstances that bring me here are anything but exciting. I'm here because as a reading interventionist for a Title I school in Madison County, Kentucky, I know firsthand the challenges that students from rural, low-income backgrounds face as they prepare to try for futures in our global economy. I know that students in my school and in other schools just like ours across the country often need a helping hand, a little bit of individual attention, so that they can get the basic skills and knowledge necessary for 21st century jobs. Unfortunately, I received a layoff notice recently because Kentucky has not yet passed a budget for the coming year, and we do not know if we will have approval for the Read to Achieve grant that helps to pay my salary. This was my first year as a reading interventionist for primary students. I previously spent 2 years as a 4th grade science teacher. I couldn't help but notice and be extremely distressed by the number of students in my school who had difficulty reading at grade level. My students often had to work so hard to decode words that the content was totally lost to them. They needed help and a little bit of individual attention. We need more intervention in the primary grades, not less, so that this doesn't happen. If our children can't read, then they can't possibly succeed. We need to intervene early to help these struggling readers make up the lost ground and catch up to their on-level peers. I feel as though I've done my part this year and have seen the students that I work with grow and learn so much in the time that I was with them. But sadly, I probably won't be there next year to help students who need my assistance just as much. The kids from my rural county in Kentucky and kids everywhere deserve the opportunity to succeed. We do them a disservice by denying them access to certified teachers and other education support professionals who are able to work with them individually. So that's why I'm here today. On behalf of the kids who come to school not quite ready, the boys and girls who come from economically challenged backgrounds and need just that little bit of extra attention, I'm here to ask members of Congress to help school districts like mine in Madison County, Kentucky, and the boys and girls like those I work with by passing legislation not just to save education jobs, but to ensure that all of our children receive an education, regardless of where they live or their economic background, that will prepare them to live and compete in our global economy.